Here I have DOOGEE S96 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts on this device. So to do this, just open the phone application, then tap here, go to its settings. Now here, firstly go to the contact section, then tap here, go to the settings, then go to the import or export contacts. Then you have to select which contacts you want to copy, like from where, from your email, from your SIM, from your contacts, phone contacts. I'll just copy these contacts from my mail, then tap next. Then you have to select where you want to copy them. You can copy them on the SIM card, on phone contact, or the internal storage, shared storage. So let's copy it on the SIM, then tap next. Then you can select all of these contacts which you want to copy. So for example, let's copy this one, then tap OK, and after that these contacts which you pick will be copied to your SIM card. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.